Hi everyone, welcome back to Walt and Sarah's channel. Today we're going to be sublimating on a mug using an air fryer. And this is how. This video is less than 5 minutes, so we're going to get it done real quick and real easy. To begin, I'm going to tape down my image. Of course, it was printed with a sublimation printer using sublimation ink, going onto a sublimated coated mug. Now I am taping down my image very well because we're not going to have the pressure that a normal heat press would provide. So I'm using lots of tape, and I'm even going to use some shrink wrap to make sure that I have enough pressure to transfer our image onto our mug. You have to make sure that you're using the larger shrink wrap. I tried to do it with the smaller one that I had in the house. If it's my 20-ounce tumbler is fine, but as far as the mug goes with the handle, the smaller ones did not work. So you want to make sure you're using the larger shrink wrap sheets. Then you just use your heat gun to shrink it. I usually go by once it starts tearing, I can tell that it's done and it is tight enough. It's time to put it into the air fryer. For my mugs, I'm going to cook them at 380 for 6 minutes, and then I'm going to also turn them at 3 minutes. If you have tongs that you can spare, I highly recommend using them. I do have a pair that I use specifically for sublimation items, but they were downstairs, so I'm using my crafting pot holder, which is not used for food. Same thing with your air fryer. Please do not use it for food. You see all that plastic residue in my air fryer. Please do not use it for food once you use it for crafting. The next thing we have to do is let our mug cool. Once it is cooled down, then we can remove all of the plastic, the tape, and the paper. And guys, look how awesome this turned out. I honestly didn't think it was going to be this good. Like, I figured it was going to work, but I wasn't sure. I've never done it before. I always use my Cricut mug press when I'm doing mugs. So yeah, just like the tumbler, this worked. It turned out great. Shout out to the commenter who asked me if it would work or not, and I had to say I wasn't sure, but now I can confirm this works. So guys, please hit that like button. Please subscribe because we do greatly appreciate it, and it means so much to us. Bye everyone.